Hey, welcome back to the channel, Oliver's Musical Genius, in search of the perfect jam. This is the channel where I practice for at least 10 minutes on every single video as I progress towards 10,000 hours of public practicing. This video is brought to you by GetYaSomeProductions.com, my music production company and podcast. This video is also brought to you by GetYaSomeGuitar.com, my guitar lesson website. I will include links for both in the description. I will be playing the song Old Wounds today, a song that I wrote, and I am going to play the song, and then I'm going to stomp on my Donner triple looper, create a loop, and jam to it to fill up the 10 minutes that I promise to practice on every video. Here we go. Like an old broken bone that throbs in the rain, I can feel my old wounds, and a slow warm wind drags clouds through the sky. It's so dark you can't move, it's so thick can't breathe. And whoever said that time moves too fast is a fool. I can't travel backwards in time, so right now I stay trapped in this moment, and I'll wait till I feel fine. Now if I could be strong in the face of the storm, well, I would not be human. And I already know what I already know, and that's not gonna change. And whoever said that time moves too fast is a fool. And I can't travel backwards in time, so right now I stay trapped